All right, hello once again. Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. I've been going over the FishCreek Animal Hospital case study for Web Development and Design Foundations with HTML5, 8th edition by Terry Felke-Morris. We're up to Chapter 11 of 14, and I have created the folder called FishCreek. I call mine Chapter 11. I copied everything over, and there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files also, and I think I've copied all of them. I put them into a folder called Media. 2, 3, 4. Well, I've got 6. I'm not sure why, but I've got a Sparky 1 and a Sparky. But that's fine. So, configure the CSS. Modify the external CSS. Open it up, edit the code, and add a new video element that floats to the right and has 20 pixel left and right margins. So let's start that. Start by doing that. Video. So we want this to float right. And has 20 pixel left and right margins. All right, so that's done. Okay, save the file. I'll tell you what, we will save it. We have saved it, but let's double check. I don't remember if I did that in the last chapter or not. So let's try to validate this file. So let's choose our file. Chapter 8, it looks like we did, but just to be sure. Oh, that was from chapter 9. Let's look at chapter 9. So from the last chapter, let's make sure that we validated that and it works okay, and it does. Now we can check the one from chapter 11 and make sure that that one still validates. And it does. Good. All right. Let's also go back, just because I'm trying to be complete when I'm doing this. And I'm going to go back again to chapter 9. I'm going to validate all 4 of these now. So index, good. Services, good. Ask vet, good. And now the big one, because this is the contact that we created. And there's problems, so let's look at them. Got a duplicate ID, and so bad value. So it doesn't like this. Bad value on the form. I don't know if it wants the www or exactly what it wants. So let's look at that, and then a duplicate ID in line 72. So let's go back, even though I'm digressing. So let's open from chapter 9. Let's open our contact form. Oh, yeah, and would have been in our form tag. Action is post, method equals, I don't know if they want a www. Oops. Dot web dev basics. Not sure. And in line 72, they said there was a duplicate ID here. Oh yeah, there we've got it in there twice. All right, so I've made the changes, saved them. This is chapter 9. So let's go back to here. Choose our file. Contact. Check. Still says it's a bad value here. Oh, I've got these reversed. Its method is post and action is that, so I apologize. So this should be method equal post, and this should be action equals this. All right, now let's double check. choose file. Again, that's why you always should be validating. Good job. All right. So, the only one I think I had to change was the contact form. So for consistency's sake, I'm going to go back to Chapter 9. I'm going to grab my contact form, copy it, go back to here, go to Chapter 11, paste it, and overwrite the one that was in there. Okay, good. And I believe I did the CSS file already for Chapter 11. Let's double check it anyway. Choose file. We'll go back again to Chapter 11. Put in our CSS file. Check it. Check it. That's clean. All right. So the only thing we're checking is on the Ask the Vet page. So I should not have to go back and revalidate my other 3 pages. We can anyway, but launch the text editor and edit the Ask a Vet page. Configure the Sparky video to display to the right of the paragraph and the description list. Use the HTML5 video and source elements. Configure 120 pixel height, 200 pixel width, and a hyperlink to the Sparky movie as a fallback. Save your web page and test it using several browsers. All right. I apologize. I have a phone call, so I have to pause the video. All right. I apologize. Okay. Sorry. So I've got done with my phone call, I guess. And I've been trying to put the code in here, but I had a problem. Video. Controls equal controls. Poster. Okay. I wonder if I just say controls, if that... Nope, that didn't do it. Something's wrong with my tag here. Controls equal controls. Poster. That's not images. That's one problem. That's media. That's why I wasn't getting the picture. So now when I run this, I should at least be getting the picture of Sparky there. And I'm not. Controls equal controls. Poster. The posters were, / media. Oh, that's not in media. I'm sorry. I put it in images. Now do I get that? I'm still not getting the picture where I would have thought I would be getting it now. Poster equals / images / sparky.jpg. And under images, there's my sparky.jpg. So that's there. The width 200, the height 120, and my tag, I think that's correct. Source equal sparky.m4v, type is video /mp4. Was it M4V? Yep, that's the one that should be showing. And the other one is sparky.ogv. And that's right there. Huh. I think I know what the problem is. I think I'm missing a line here. I need an href equal / media / sparky.mov Sparky /a. Now let's look. I still don't have it. Not sure what the problem is. Okay. All right. Apologize. Got had to attend to another matter, but I'm just looking in here to see if there's anything that looks like we're missing here, and I don't see it. Well, again, I'm looking, I apologize, I'm looking for something that looks wrong here. So, let's do this. It's possible I put something in that's incorrect. Sure wouldn't be the first time. But I'm going to say HTML5 video tag example. Go out to W3 Schools. Try it yourself here. So let's look at this. All right. So I'm going to just take what the one from W3 Schools is. In fact, I'll do this. So just throw it in a notepad. I want to be able to compare these side by side. All right. Width is 200, height. Don't know if I need that poster or not. I thought I could just put in controls, but even there, it's not recognizing it. You can see that. It's not. Don't know if it doesn't like the poster, but I think it needs the poster for the OGG file. I think with the OGG file, that's what's giving it the picture right there. Source equals, type equals, source equals, type equals. Yeah, we can put your browser does not support HTML5 video. We can put that in there. And we can try running it again. We're still not getting it though. Now we're not getting yours does not support video, but it's not showing anything here, which is not a great sign. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this. All right, but I'm going to fix it and I will give you the solution when I come back to go over the material for Chapter 12. So I'll be back with that shortly.